Alright, welcome back to Many Outdoor Adventures. Done here with school day. We're heading up north. We're going to do a little bit of ice fishing and fishery this weekend. So, hopefully we'll have a good weekend. Alright, here we are out for the fishery this weekend. We're out here packing. We're with Jason Gahan and his boys. We're going to get into a little bit of fishing today. So, we'll see you out on the lake. Alright, you probably can't see anything, but we're out here on Many Outdoor Adventures. There's a four-wheeler over there. And you probably can't tell, but we're unpacking. We got the locators running here. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty good day of ice fishing. See ya!
Pull it!
Oh! Feel it!
It's on there. It's sideways.
Oh, I felt it.
Oh, another one got off.
There's another one too. I can see the weight at the beginning. Yeah,
Hold it up.
First fish. Grab onto it. What? Yeah.
That is a giant.
Oh, I felt it right when I got to hook it up. No, it's like. We're about 20 minutes into the fish. This is about our fourth flag type deal. Got him. What's big?
Oh, nice bass.
Stretch it out. Don't curl up the line here, bud. Nice work, He.
Thanks. Nice little bass. Little chunk. It's barely hooked. There we go.
Show it.
Nice little bass out here fishing.
Let me take a picture quick, Heath.
I caught two.
Got it.
Put it in.
Hey, Hunter. Can you
There
grab
it
the...
goes. I didn't get it on camera, but I just pulled out this little bass. Put it back in the water. There we go. We're gonna have to keep reusing these dead minnows since we've already caught so many fish. We're gonna run out of minnows for today. This morning. Alright. Caught this little northern. Gotta get the hook out of it. Oh, I can grab the minnow. Oh, now he's sucking in on it. Open it. Can't get it.
I'm gonna open his jaw.
Yeah, because they have big teeth.
Open it like this and then grab onto it.
Welcome back. Midday. We've been getting a lot of tip-ups lately. Now it's a little bit slower. So we're chilling out, and now I'm going to keep on jigging here. So we'll see ya. minutes after, I was sitting over there digging, putting back in the hole.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good with one. Caught him in about 6 feet of water. So hopefully keep getting some tip-ups. Alright, thanks for joining us on many outdoor adventures this weekend. We had a pretty good weekend. We caught about 26 flags. Well, we had 26 flags. Caught, say, around 19 fish, which is actually pretty good. So, unfortunately, we had some pretty good weather for ice fishing. But unfortunately, it got too warm around here, so our ice fishing season's over. But fortunately for us, now it's summer fishing time, so we get to use all this good new gear. We got all the rods behind us back there. So, I think we'll see you later on Outdoor Adventures.